this 18-volt battery-operated 5.5-inch circular saw from Ryobi.
And I'm going to go ahead and get her cut open here. I sped it up a little bit so go a little quicker. There's the owner's manual. And it was packaged nice and tightly in the box there. Plenty of cardboard protection. Came with a 5.5-inch blade. And there it is. It has some plastic components on here that the conventional ones usually are steel. There it has the angled cut, 0 to 45 degrees. And there it is, a 5.5-inch 18-tooth carbide tipped blade. Plus I picked up a plywood blade and a framing blade while I was there. So here's a switch that holds the arbor in place, and you can see the wrench was stored in the back of the handle. Take the screw out, and one of the washers shows the direction of the blade, so you make sure you get that matched up properly. And the washer has to go on a certain way, and it does say that it's a left-hand thread, so this will go counterclockwise. And then hold down the little button that locks the arbor up. There we go. Replace the wrench, and you can see here's the battery. Pop it in. There's a right and left hand safety switch here.
Nice and quiet. Hear my air conditioner? Well, this isn't much louder than that. Let's see how she works. You want to? All right, I got this scrap piece of plywood. Let's give her a try. See how the Ryobi circular saw cuts. All right, I'm going to set the blade up, which is very simple. We just loosen up the adjusting screw there and bring it up so the blade just gets through the thickness of the plywood. There we go, get it tightened up. And we're right at 0 degrees. So well, it does plywood real nice. See how she works on a 2x6. Set the depth. Wow, nice cut on a 2x6. Well, there it is. The Ryobi 18-volt 5.5-inch circular saw.
And remember, do something nice for someone today. Peace!